Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to download TinyTask on mobile. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is open your Google or Safari. And once you're here, just simply search for TinyTask Mobile APK, this one. And as you can see in here, there are many results or link that's in here. So actually you can just try any of them as long as it works on your end. But in my case, I'll just choose this link right here. So I'll just tap on that. Then you'll be redirected to a different page. Then what you're going to do is just simply download this. So just tap on that. Once you have clicked on the download button, it will ask you again to just tap. So just tap on install. And that's it. That's how you download TinyTask on mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!